guys, Jackie DeSilva here from Western Massachusetts, and in this video I'm going to talk about Citrus Fresh Vitality Essential Oil. So here is the Vitality Oil, and it's 5 ml, and it's also 100% pure therapeutic grade essential oil, and you can use it as a supplement. So before I begin, I just want to mention this disclaimer. These statements have not been evaluated by the Food and Drug Administration. This information is not intended to diagnose, treat, cure, or prevent any disease. This information is not intended or implied to be a substitute for professional medical advice, diagnosis, or treatment. If you are pregnant, nursing, taking medication, or have a medical condition, please consult your physician before using these products. So here is the Young Living Quality Commitment Seed to Seal logo. All right, so all oils in the world fall into one of the 4 categories: authentic, manipulated, perfume, or synthetic. So authentic means that the oils are 100% pure with no added synthetics or other species in the bottle. So these are actually Young Living oils. Manipulated means that the final product has been made to smell more pleasing and less earthy. Some of the heavier molecules have been stripped out or another species is introduced to enhance the aroma. Perfume oils are not pure at all. They are mixed with synthetics to enhance the aroma. These oils have no therapeutic action whatsoever, and frequently solvents are used to extract the plant. Synthetic oils are not true oils at all. They smell nothing like the original plant and are typically labeled as scented products. These are synthetic. So authentic is basically the only true pure oil out there. But synthetic oils would be like opening up your fridge, taking a glass of orange juice and diluting it 95% before you drink it, and diluting it with chemicals. It just wouldn't have the same benefits of a full glass of only orange juice. That's why you want authentic oils. So before you purchase, check to see if the company grows their own plants, has seed to seal, and controls the entire process from the farm to the seal bottle. Pesticides, pollution, previously farmed land, all of it can actually affect the quality of an oil. So why would you go the extra step of using an oil to get away from a chemical only to use an oil laden with chemicals? It just doesn't make any sense. So for example, if you walk into a grocery store and look at a box of cereal, you'll see nutrition facts on the side. But there are no nutrition facts on the side of oils. That means you have to trust the source. You have to know where you are purchasing from or the company. So what sets Young Living aside? It's actually their seed to seal process, and it's the promise of purity. You can actually learn more about the seed to seal process at seedtoseal.com. So all of the Young Living oils are shipped from around the world to Spanish Fork, Utah, where they actually run through vigorous 8-point testing to ensure purity. Those tests are run in triplicate at the farm at Spanish Fork and a 3rd time before bottling. It's why Young Living has never had a recalled essential oil in more than 2 decades of business. So you definitely can trust the integrity in there. So Seed to Seal is actually based on 3 pillars: sourcing, science, and standards. Young Living oils are tested by scientists with over 180 years of combined lab experience. They also do third-party testing with 2 accredited, respected, independent labs. So Young Living Seed to Seal process is the promise of integrity. There are no pesticides used, no artificial fertilizers, and no weed killers. The plants are harvested at their peak, and they are then put through a vigorous testing process. Then they go from the farm directly to your home. So Seed to Seal is not a slogan, it is a promise. All right, let's talk about Citrus Fresh Vitality. Citrus Fresh Vitality Essential Oil Blend perfectly combines a member favorite citrus oils with a refreshingly cool taste of peppermint to add a striking and unique pop of flavor to culinary dishes. This mix of orange, grapefruit, mandarin, tangerine, lemon, and spearmint essential oils can be used to add zest to chicken, salmon, and gourmet salads. You can also try it on the go. You can add it to your water to keep you motivated to stay hydrated. Citrus Fresh Vitality can also provide an internal boost with its antioxidant and cleansing properties. And you can indulge with Citrus Fresh Vitality and never feel dull about the food you are eating again. So some applications, you can actually add 1 to 2 drops to every 2 ounces of your favorite fruit and vegetable juices and smoothies. You can infuse your water with a burst of flavor by adding 2 to 3 drops to your glass throughout the day, and you can use Citrus Fresh Vitality in recipes such as fruit salads, salad dressings, and marinades to enhance the flavor. Some other applications, you can actually add 1 to 2 drops to vegetarian capsule and use it as a dietary supplement to support general wellness. Add it to your favorite Young Living nutritional products and supplements such as the Sleek Tea, the Ningxia Zing, the Ningxia Red, and the Mineral Essence. And I've tried all of them. They're absolutely amazing. So, Citrus Fresh Vitality has a pleasant and invigorating taste. I absolutely love it. With a combination of citrus-based essential oils and spearmint, Citrus Fresh Vitality is perfectly tart with a subtle hint of minty flavor. So for internal use, you can actually put 2 drops in a capsule and take 3 times daily. And again, cautions, keep out of reach of children. If you are pregnant, nursing, taking medication, or have a medical condition, please consult a health professional prior to use. If contact with skin occurs, avoid direct sunlight or UV rays for up to 24 hours. These statements have also not been evaluated by the Food and Drug Administration. Young Living products are not intended to diagnose, treat, cure, or prevent any disease. So some product background. Citrus Fresh Vitality was created to enhance the flavor of baked goods, marinades for chicken and seafood, salad dressings, and so much more. It combines essential oils from beloved citrus fruits such as grapefruit, first discovered in Barbados, and lemon, thought to have origins in India, obtained through a combination of steam distillation and cold pressing. These essential oils come together for an unforgettable flavor. So again, here is Citrus Fresh Vitality Essential Oil. It is also a great room sprayer as far as refreshing the smell of your house, and it's a great smell. So anyways, if you guys have any questions, feel free to reach out, and I'm looking forward to hearing from you soon. Take care.